Lesson 29. Present simple passive voice, 1. Lulu's Cafe. Lulu's Cafe is a small coffee shop and bakery in Denver. It is included in many guidebooks and described as one of the best coffee shops in Colorado. It is named after a very special woman. Her name is Linda, but she is known as Lulu. She opened the cafe in 1975, and she still works there. She always smiles and introduces herself to everyone. She loves talking to people and making coffee for them. Lulu's Cafe is open every day from 7 a.m. Lulu's son Jacob bakes fresh muffins and croissants every morning. Everything is baked with love and care. At about 8 a.m., Lulu joins her son to help him. The coffee shop is visited by more than 100 tourists every day, so Lulu and Jacob are always busy.
The classic French dish. Beef bourguignon is one of the most famous French dishes. It is eaten all over the world, and it's often prepared for special occasions. It is found on the menus of many restaurants too, and it is ordered very often. The dish is named after the popular red wine from the Burgundy region in the east of France. Of course, the Burgundy wine is used to make beef bourguignon. The dish is made with meat from a cow, beef, carrots, onions, garlic, and mushrooms. The beef, vegetables, and mushrooms are cooked in the famous red wine for a few hours. Sometimes, bacon is added to make the dish even more delicious. Beef bourguignon is usually eaten with mashed potatoes and a salad. Would you like to try it?
Dancing on TV. Strictly Come Dancing is an extremely popular television show. It is watched by millions of people in the United Kingdom every week. In the show, a group of singers, actors, and TV presenters learn how to dance. They have to learn a new dance every week and then dance it for the viewers. After they finish their dances, they get comments and points from experts. The show is filmed in a large studio in London and shown live on TV every Saturday from September to December. The winner is chosen after 12 weeks of dancing. In the United States, the show is known as Dancing with the Stars. There are more than 75 versions of the show around the world. It is loved in Europe, America, Asia, and Australia.